this is Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're going to make modeling chocolate. I'm going to grab 2 bags of bright white candy melts. They're about 12 ounces in each bag. We'll put that in our bowl, and then I'm going to grab our glass measuring cup, and we're going to put 5 ounces of light corn syrup, and we're going to heat this up as well just till it's as warm as our candy melts are. And we're going to mix the candy melts in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time, mixing in between each time until it is just melted, because we don't want to overdo it, otherwise it'll freeze up. And then our corn syrup is also at the same temperature as the candy melts, because we also put it in the microwave and just got it warm but not too hot. Then we mix that until it's like soft serve ice cream, spread it out on our saran wrap, and we're going to let that stay there until it's set. And then we come back while it's set, and we're just going to take it out and knead it real good until it's nice and smooth, and we're going to work out all the lumps this way. And now it's nice and soft and pliable, and we can make whatever we want with it. And then when we're not using it, we can put it away in a nicely packaged saran wrap and then in a Tupperware container. And it'll be hard when we take it back out, but you can microwave it and then it'll come back to this temperature.